Hello, my name is Nadeem Hani Shaaban. This is my app reminder for the Cooking Chatbot. So, firstly, I want to express my gratitude to Mr. Avishek Das and Miss Mita for thoroughly teaching us this internship and spending the time and effort to ensure we have no concerns. I'd also like to thank my fellow students as they've heavily assisted me in the discussion section, and they also contributed to the internship's excitement. So, about me, my name is Nadeem. I'm 14 years old, and my ambition or in my future, I want to be have a career in information technology or just become a computer programmer in general. About my internship, the journey. This internship really helped me with understanding Python. It was really fun and amusing. I would always love to join another internship. This one was a really great experience. So about this app, this is a chatbot. It's made to help you with cooking. And it can help you with providing extremely simple and easy recipes. It's extremely easy to use as well. So this is basically like a chatbot, but you can ask the question for recipes about cooking. It can help someone who's a beginner and wants to get into recipes, but he doesn't really know to do stuff that's really hard or complicated. He just needs simple and direct recipes. So what you have to do is run this code. It opens up a menu, and then you can ask it a question like, "How can I make a burger?" For example, it gives you an output, and then if you want something else like how to make French fries, you can also ask like that. So when you say this, it just gives you an output. It could say that if it's yeah, this is like genuine. So it gives you more steps, and you can ask it the question in multiple ways, like short steps to make French fries. So if there are any questions that need to be asked, this is my email, anushani@you.com. Thank you.